Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Redmi device to Redmi Pad Pro. Begin by launching Play Store on both. Then get this app called Send Anywhere from this developer, and when it's ready, launch it. To continue, you need to select the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or select OK right away. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of this Redmi smartphone. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom on Redmi Pad. Now go back to this Redmi device and access all of those categories available at the top to select all of your files that you wish to transfer. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you wish to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide, close and add, allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section instead. Type in all of those numbers before they expire, and to connect, select Receive button. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!